Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Banggood.com have very kindly sent me some nail products to review. You can find all the information including links for all of the products in the description box below. There is also a coupon code which can be used until the 31st of May 2018 on fingernail and toenail clippers, and that is also in the description box as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. All of the products have really good labelling on, which I really do like. So I have 4 pots of glitter and 2 brushes to share with you. This is my first review video for Banggood.com, and I have to say the products arrived pretty quickly. So I've removed all the packaging and here they all are. So these are the 2 brushes and this is a fan brush. Now it has become a little bent from the postage, but as I'm using it for just the glitter, that doesn't matter. It's got a nice wooden handle and the brush is quite soft, to be fair. This purple brush is a nail art brush and on their website this is number 8. Now unfortunately this has also been a little dented in the post, which is a shame, but the brush itself is perfect, so again I'm not bothered by it at all. The brush head is oval, which is perfect for builder gel and cleanup. It's hard, which is how brushes should arrive. Now it does have a lid, which I prefer on my brushes, keeps them nice and clean, but because of the dent it won't go in. Moving on to the glitters, they all have numbers on their bottoms, but they don't go with the Banggood.com's website. This is number 3 and this is a purple colour. They are multi-cut glitters, so they have small pieces and large pieces. I also want to call them slightly iridescent, but I'm not sure. The pink is number 4. Now I don't normally work with chunky glitters, but I'm excited to try these. They're all so pretty. Now I'm not sure how much glitter you get. Their website says 15 grams, but I've never had pots like this, so I'm not sure. The third glitter is a bluey purple, almost lavender colour, and this is number 5. I really like the screw-on lids and the wide openings. It's going to be really easy to get the glitter out. And this one is a stunning green and this is number 2. You can purchase these in a set of 4 like these or individually, and they're so reasonably priced as well. So when I use glitters, I like to have colours underneath them which are close in colour to them. So I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be applying the glitters to. I'll be using the wooden handled brush to apply them and the purple brush to apply product over the top of them. So I'm going to start with the dark purple glitter. My nail tips have 2 coats of gel polish which I've cured each layer, and I've left the tacky layer in place as this is what I'm going to stick the glitter to. But all I'm doing is I'm picking up some of the glitter and I'm just patting it into that tacky layer. Once I've covered the nail tip and that I'm really happy with it, I'll then use the brush to pat everything down. Because it's a multi-cut, I want to make sure that I've got nothing sticking up. And this is a stunning glitter and I love the green tone coming through. To clean my brush, all I'm going to do is very quickly wipe the brush back and forth over the kitchen paper, and the glitter comes out really quite easily. This type of brush makes the glitters so easy to pick up. You can get a good mix of all the different sizes of glitters in the pot. I'll just be repeating applying the glitters to the nail tips. Now you could even use these glitters for glitter fades or even a sweep across the nail, but these nails are very twinkly. You can use this glitter with normal nail polishes. I would personally use a foil glue to get them to stick to. You could encapsulate the glitter in acrylic. Whichever way you use the glitters, they will look stunning. And I'm so excited to try more different types of glitters like these. And then here they are all together, and I really don't think I can pick a favourite. They're all so pretty. So I'll now show you how I work with a brush for the first time. So with the brush head being hard, I very gently push it over just to break the hardness off. I'll do this a couple of times, sort of backwards and forwards. I'll then bring in my isopropyl alcohol and I will make the brush really quite wet, and then I'll just wipe it back and forth on the kitchen paper. This gets rid of anything that's inside the brush, and I'll do this a few times just to make sure the brush is nice and clean and ready to use. So you could go over the top of these glitters with gel top coat. You'd most probably would need a couple of coats, or you could go in with a slightly thicker top coat like a rubber top coat, or you could even use my favourite, which is builder gel in a bottle, or you could even go in with normal builder gel. There's quite a few different ways to choose from, but I'm actually going to go with my favourite of builder gel in the bottle. Because it's thick, it will really cover the glitter and encapsulate it all really well. All of the gels that I've just shown you are soakable, so even the normal builder gel in the pot is soakable as well. So removing the glitter and the gel will be really easy. I'm going to take a bead of the builder gel in a bottle and I'm going to start applying this at the top of the nail, making sure that I am covering all of the gel really well. I'm not going to make this bulky, but I am going to cover it well. I'll make sure that the nail tip is pointing downwards. This helps gravity bring that gel down the nail and not flood the cuticle area. You will also notice that I'm not digging the brush into the gel. I'm letting the brush just glide over the top of the gel again. This helps the gel come down the nail. I'm not touching the glitter at all. I'll use the brush to make sure the builder gel in a bottle is nice and even. And I have to say, this is a really nice brush to work with. It's actually made applying the gel really easy. I will also make sure that I'm checking the nail from all angles to make sure the gel is nice and even as I can possibly make it. I'll also cap the free edge as well. So I'll now cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. Once it's cured, I'm going to take a wax strip and some isopropyl alcohol and I'm going to wipe the tacky layer from the nail tip, making sure it's fully clean. Now I want to make sure this is nice and smooth, so I'm going to use a soft 240 grit file and I'm just going to refine this nail tip. I don't want to remove any of the builder gel in a bottle, so I won't use a really harsh file. Nice and gentle. I don't want to file into that gorgeous glitter. You'll notice that I will stop and I'll wipe my finger over the top so that you can see if there's any areas of the file hasn't actually got to. And this is why I like to file over the nail, just to make sure that everything is really nice and smooth. There are many ways of working with glitter, and this is just my preferred way of working. Obviously everybody works differently. Once I filed over the nail tip, I'll then re-clean the nail tip again using the wax strip and the isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or bits and pieces. I'm then going to use my no wipe top coat and I'm going to apply a really nice layer over that nail tip, and that is when the sparkle and shine is really going to come back. I'm then going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds, but this is one very pretty nail. I love the green coming through, it is just absolutely stunning. as to not make this video really long, I have done all of the other colour glitter nail tips off camera, as you've just seen me do. It was just repeating the same process again and again. And here they are completed. Now, I know I've said this in the video before quite a few times, but they are absolutely stunning. They really are so twinkly. So I'm going to go through each of them and show you the raw glitter against the finished nail tip. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with how these have turned out. They're so effective. Any of these would make a stunning mani. I know that I am now definitely looking into some more glitters like these multi-cuts, because they're just so beautiful and really easy to work with, and my collection does not have any of them in. I've cleaned the brush from having the builder gel in a bottle in, and it looks just like it did brand new. I really quite like this brush. It will probably be now my glitter gel brush. This wooden brush made applying glitter so easy. I'll definitely be using it again for my glitters. So I decided to make a mani on my flexi hand just to show you how these can look in a mani. I've used the dark purple glitter number 3 and the light purple glitter number 5, using the same gel polishes as I did with the swatches and the same application of the builder gel in a bottle over the top of them. The only difference is over the middle pink, I've actually used the purple glitter just to show you what it would look like over a different colour. In person, these nails are so twinkly. They twinkle away sitting on my desk. Capturing them on camera was a little tricky, shall we say, but I love these glitters. All of my swatches and mani will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box. Thank you to banggood.com for sending me these products to review. Don't forget to check out their links, also in the description box as well. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on banggood.com's glitters and brushes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.